sorry. I'm not playing for you guys.
Not for us, with us.
Seriously, Mia, if you don't, I will. And have you ever heard the sound of 1,000 dying cats?
Come on, Hall. We're playing together.
I really hate you.
Mia.
I've always thought of the cello as a solo instrument. It's probably why it's always made me so comfortable. Just me and my cello. But that night, sitting around the bonfire, jamming with Adam and everyone else, I realized I was wrong. The cello isn't a solo instrument. It's part of something bigger.
Today is the greatest day I've ever known. Can't live for tomorrow. Tomorrow's much too long. I'll burn my eyes out before I get out. I want it more than life could ever grant me. Boy, by the joy of saving face. Today is the greatest day I've never known. Can't wait for tomorrow. I might not have it long. I'll tear my heart out before I get out.
The thing is, Mom and Dad always had their scene, and Adam had his. And I was always jealous because I didn't have mine until the night of the bonfire. That was my scene. That was where I belonged.
Today is the greatest.
That's what happiness felt like.